this video is for educational purpose only. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Please do your own research for every investment you make. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am here with you to share amazing reviews on my YouTube channel. So before starting my review, I would request if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell icon button for further upcoming notification and amazing videos on my YouTube channel. So today we will discuss about Gate.io, the biggest exchange, and we will analyze the markets and much more about Gate.io. So trade overview, and here you can have a BTC USDT price change, and here you can have a trading view, and here you can analyze the charts for USDT BTC. Here is our spot for buy and sell. Here you can buy and sell. Here is our limits, markets, and here you can check out there and BTC and USDT available, and here you can analyze the price and chart. So here you can sell, and here you can check out their 24-hour high and low volume, their turn on. So this is about their trades on Gate.io. Here you can analyze, and here you can have a look for the market cap. So here we have a market for gainer, losers, and here you can stock. Here you can get the amount you want to turn over. So here you can have a market cap look. Here you can analyze chart, and you can also trade. So here you can know about the price of Gate token, which is 10.9, and here is 11. Here is the Bitcoin price and market cap. Here is the Ethereum price and its market cap. You can have a look for USDT, and here is the Solana price, and its market cap is 79.51 billion. And here you have much more analysis about your favorite tokens, currencies, and here you can have a look for their market cap, and here you can also analyze their chart. So let's review about their website. Here is your gateway to crypto. 44 million traders, and it's the trusted choice. So here you can have the spot and futures for Gate.io, and here you can view their price and analyze their chart. So let's have a look for sign up. So guys, you can continue with your Android and iPhone. You can also download the app, or you can sign up using your email and phone. I will discuss further in my video how you can sign up, and if you have an account, how you can log into Gate.io. So guys, trade crypto anywhere, anytime. You can scan to download app, and you can manage your options. So how to get started? You have to just create your account. First you have to register and claim exclusive newcomer rewards. You have to register now. So guys, the second step is very easy. You have to click buy. You have to buy a crypto in a few easy steps. You have to click on buy crypto, then you have to start trading. Final step is about yours. You have to sell and buy crypto, guys. You can trade and many more. So every is called trade. So here is about the features. You can secure smart contracts, you can reserve audit proof, and you can call hot wallet based storage. So these are the features, and here is about its 24 volume is about $39.52 billion. 4,000 plus cryptocurrencies are supported. 11.19% is the simple earn APR, and 124% is the total reserve ratio. So let's check out what is more about Gate.io. So here's what the press says about Gate.io. Here you can have a link for what press says about Gate.io. You can check out. And these are the frequently asked questions about the Gate.io, what this currency is, and how you can trade on Gate.io. So guys, if you want to know about, and here you can check their product, services, and many more. So guys, here you can also check out their communities, must join their communities for further update and amazing notifications. So here is trade. You can trade on spot, alpha, pre-market, margins, convert, and block tradings. So here is futures earn, and here is the simple earn, candy drop, launch poll, and here you can have their investment and launch plan. So here community is about the live crypto market analysis. You have our live crypto chat and news about gate.io. So here is our Web3 and here is a more program. Our activity center, our referral is about 20 USDT. You can earn 40% commission or up to 500 USDT rewards. So here are our announcement, Gate blog, VIP services, proof reserves, affiliate, asset management, and institutional. So guys, here you can also get help from our help center. So how you can sign up? So guys, here their scan is also available. You can scan and it's your choice. You can scan and you can download from the link. So how you can sign up? You have to simply click on sign up using your phone number and email. So you have to enter your email. You will get the code. So Red Bull Trading Tour for round is now live. You can share a 20,000 GD prize pool on Gate.io. So you can get 10,000 plus reward by just signing up or just getting a login to their Gate.io account. So here you have to enter your email or phone number and then you will get the sign up of 10,000 rewards. So it's very simple to sign up. I hope you get that how you can sign up to their account. So this was a short review about Gate.io. I hope you have liked my video. Please don't forget to comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.